Let's discuss Thales theorem. This is a very important theorem. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Okay, see, ABC is a triangle. A line is drawn parallel to one side of the triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points. Okay, suppose here draw one line parallel to BC. Okay, here ABC is the triangle drawn parallel to one side of the triangle. Okay, here DE is the parallel to BC. It intersects the other two sides of the triangle AB and AC and divide in the same ratio. It means AD by DB equal to AE by EC. AE by EC. Okay, we need to prove that AD by DB equal to AE by EC. Okay, see here ADE. AD is the one triangle. Okay, what is the area of the triangle ADE? Area of triangle ADE equal to, we know area of the triangle, of into base into height. Okay, of into, here height is, draw a perpendicular line. Okay, this is the one perpendicular. Okay, and draw a perpendicular line on AE. Okay, this is one perpendicular. See, here point is M and this point is N. Okay, here base is AD. AD into height. Height is EN. Okay, in same way, area of triangle ADE. Area of triangle ADE equal to of into base into height. Okay, here base is AE and height is DM. Okay, DM. Is it clear? Area of the triangle ADE equal to of into base. Base is AD. Okay, this is the base and height is perpendicular EN. Okay, this is the equation 1. In same way, area of the triangle ADE is of into base is AE and perpendicular on AE is DM. Okay, this is the equation 2. Okay, see here DE is parallel to BC. Okay, let us join BE and CD. BE and CD. Here D is parallel to BC. Okay, and see BDE. BD is one triangle and DEC is one triangle. Okay, these two triangles in between DE and BC. Okay, two triangles in between two parallel lines. Okay, they have same base. Base is DE. Okay, see note. two triangles on the same base and between the same parallels or equal in areas. It means area of the triangle BDE equal to area of the triangle DEC. Okay. These two triangles areas are equal. Okay. See here BDE angle D. Angle D is more than 90 degrees. Okay. This is the more than 90 degrees. This is the obtuse triangle. See DEC. Here angle E is more than 90 degrees. This is the obtuse triangle. Okay, these two triangles are obtuse triangles. What is the area of the obtuse triangle? See, suppose this is the obtuse triangle ABC. What is the area of obtuse triangle? Of into base into height. Here base is BC. What is the height? Extend base, draw a perpendicular. Okay, this is the perpendicular. Suppose this point is M. Okay, here height is AM. Okay, here base is BC. Okay, is it clear? In same way, triangle BDE. What is the area of BDE? This is the obtuse triangle. Okay, draw a perpendicular. Okay, extend base. Okay, and draw perpendicular. Okay, here EN is the perpendicular. Okay, what is the area of BDE triangle? Of into base is DB and height is EN. Okay, EN is the perpendicular. Area of triangle BDE equal to of into base into height. Of into base is BD. Height is EN. Okay, this is the equation 3. In same way, area of triangle DEC of into base into height. Here base is CE is the base. Okay, CE or EC. EC is the base and extend the base, draw a perpendicular on base. Okay, DM is the height of the triangle DEC. EC into DM. This is the equation 4. Okay, here we have 4 equations. From equation 1 and 3, area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE. Area of triangle ADE is of into AD into EN by triangle BDE area of into BD into EN. Okay, EN get cancelled, off cancel. Okay, which is equal to AD by BD. In same way, from equation 2 and equation 4, area of triangle ADE. AD equal to of into AE into DM by area of triangle DEC is of into EC into DM. Okay, here DM get cancelled, off cancel, remaining AE by EC. Okay, we know area of triangle BDE equal to area of triangle DEC. Okay, so this is equal to area of triangle AD by area of triangle DEC. Okay, here area of triangle DEC equal to area of triangle BDE. Okay, BDE. Okay, AE by AC. See, left hand side, area of triangle AD by area of triangle BDE, area of triangle AD by area of triangle BDE. Okay, so these two ratios are equal. Therefore, AD by BD equal to AE by AC. This is the Thales theorem.